Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Frontier SV. This is the crew cab with the V6 and the automatic transmission. It's really a great looking truck. This is in the same pickup class as the Ford Ranger as well as the Chevy Colorado. $35,075. This is the special edition package. So glacier white over steel interior. Yeah, very, very nice. I've always been a big fan of the Frontier. It's really kind of one of the pioneers of the small pickup segment. Need some parts? We got parts. That's pretty cool. I'm easily amused, what can I say? Really do like the cloth interior. Manual parking brake, center console, not sure where that goes. Oh, it's for the fuse box, so that goes somewhere. Go for a drive. Is it 3.8? Yeah, 3.8 liter, 310 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque. Yes, I have gotten better at reading backwards. Really a good amount of thrust from the 3.8. Sounds great, as I've grown accustomed to decent V6 sounds in a world of 4 cylinders, and this definitely joins that group. Very, very nice sounding 6-cylinder. The wipers do wipe. It's getting towards the end of the day. What is it, 3:15, give or take, sometime there. Yeah, I'm getting tired. It's been a long day. Filmed a lot of cars today. Get a little room. Got somebody coming up behind us. Nope. We're good. Can't beat that. The Frontier, well, a lot of people are complaining that it's dated. The interior lacks behind the rest. You have a very, very nice touchscreen unit. While it is dated, it's been around, oh God, since I think early 2010, 2009 era. It's almost as old as the Challenger. You can't really improve upon perfection in this segment. It is utilitarian, very, very reliable, or so I've been told. Obviously, this one has 21 miles on it, so nothing's broken in 21 miles. But that's to be expected. And if in 21 miles something goes wrong, that's not good. But no, from what I've heard, I know the service guys at Nissan, they've only had good things to say about, them being reliable. So very, very nice trucks. And with the interior being these materials and stuff like that, very, very easy to clean. Everything gets muddy in here, extremely easy to wipe down or vacuum out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.